How can I automatically respond to new form submissions? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new form submission in Jotform. Then we'll be reformatting the response and crafting a reply email using the AI Wizard by Workload. And then finally, sending that email in Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We'll give our workflow a title. This is going to be Jotform to AI Wizard to Gmail. And I'm going to select my trigger by clicking in the trigger box. And my trigger app is going to be Jotform. And the event is going to be a new form submission. The form that I want this workflow to monitor is my new customer registration form. And we'll test the trigger, and we have a new form submission. Now, the way the form responses come back from Jotform is that the answers to the form questions are tucked inside of this answers array and are usually under the field of answer. So we want to pull out those answer fields and create a separate flat response. So we're going to click continue here. We're going to go to our tools and select the AI Wizard by Workload. We're going to prompt your data. The input data is going to be that entire answers array. And I'm going to paste in a prompt, pull out all the answer fields, and create a separate response. We'll test this action. And it looks like we have a success. So we'll click continue here. We're going to add a step. What I'm going to do in this workflow is create an email to send to anyone who has filled out our form. So this is also going to be in our tools, also the AI Wizard. Prompt your data. The input data is going to come from that step 2 now. We're going to come down to the bottom where it says workload response, and we're going to find the name of the person we're responding to. And our prompt, write an email thanking this person for registering with our company, Big Saddle Boys. Tell them that we have a lot of exciting opportunities coming up and that we look forward to them being a part of the Big Saddle Boys community. Test the action. We have a response. Hello, Colt Horsington. Thank you for registering with Big Saddle Boys. We're thrilled to have you as a part of our community. We have a lot of exciting opportunities coming up, and we look forward to you being a part of the Big Saddle Boys family. Best regards, Big Saddle Boys team. All right, looks great. So we can add a step. This is going to be in Gmail. Our event is going to be the send email at the bottom of our list here. Make sure we're connected to Gmail. 2 is going to come from that step 2. We're going to scroll to the bottom and find the email address of this person. And then our subject is going to come from that step 3. Thank you for registering with Big Saddle Boys. And the body is going to come from step 3, which is our AI generated message. Then we're going to click continue and we'll test this action. We have a success. So I'll click continue here. I can come over to my Gmail and then I can go to my sent Gmail. You can see that email was just sent with our subject and our message that we generated with the AI Wizard. You can see here that that address was not found because I made up Cold Horsington, but that's not an issue with the workflow. That's just an issue with the fake email address. Okay, so we can come back over to the workload editor. We can see that there's a green dot in the upper corner of each of our nodes, And then we can activate our workflow. And now every time we have a new form submission for that particular form in Jotform, the AI wizard will reformat the response and then craft an email to send in Gmail. That's how I can use the AI wizard by Workload to automatically craft an email response to a new form submission. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this post and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.